Alright everybody, I'm at a job. I am going to be hopefully doing two separate types of videos. One, of course, with my cell phone camera here, and then the other one with my old GoPro. So this house is empty, which is wonderful. But the downer is that leaves me with almost nothing that I can boom my GoPro off of, so I found a spot to prop it up off the kitchen counter so you guys can see a different perspective in the living room area. So be sure to watch for that video. It might take me a little longer to get that one uploaded, as I'm going to have to piece a couple videos together, some basic editing. Usually I don't have much time to do editing of videos, that's why I have a tendency to do a lot more cell phone stuff, because I can just upload it directly to YouTube and all that. But as I was discussing in that other video that I'll be posting, see that white faded line? That's sun ray damage. Nothing can be done about it. All I can do is clean it, the carpet, and that's about it. This is a move out. Clean, the house is going up for sale. So they just want to get the carpet presentable for potential buyers. In my area, a lot of people that buy homes have a tendency to just rip stuff out and put whatever they want in, so doing a cleaning to make it look good for the sale of the home is usually the best idea, rather than pulling carpet out and putting new carpet in just to make it, you know, look brand new. It seems like about 80% of the time people have a tendency to pull it out. So for my client to spend, you know, possibly $8 grand on new carpet, and the time setting all that stuff up and getting it done is probably more of a hassle, and putting new carpet in doesn't really add any value to the home. So in the end, it doesn't typically make sense to do so, which is great for carpet cleaners, because then we get the job and can make it look nice, and client's happy, and then, you know, we're happy. This job was a referral. I did some cleaning for a real estate agent in my hometown, Oakdale, California, and she referred this lady to me, and so I'm very thankful for that. to avoid stepping on this carpet. So I need to put one of my moving blankets over here. With me. All right. Okay. This section's done. CRB tray over to here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the video at this point for this section because I have my kind of broken stand here. I need to get a new one for my GoPro set up here so you guys can get a different angle view of me CRBing and rinsing this room. So I'm gonna stop the video here and then be sure to check out that video. Like I said, I'll try and get it posted as soon as possible. Just gotta do some editing because I'm gonna try and do a longer video of at least CRB and rinsing. This house actually had house cleaning done very recently, right before I came in to do the carpet cleaning, so it's already been pre-vacced and everything for me, which is great. So those steps, or that step, isn't going to be present in this series, unfortunately, so I apologize for that. Yeah, stay tuned. I will do some more video and hope to see you on it. Make sure you hit a like and subscribe so I know you enjoyed this video. And I will continue to keep posting more as I get more jobs coming through and get this content shared with you guys. So thank you so much for continuing to support and show your love with those comments and likes. I see you guys there, and I'm trying to respond to as many as possible as I can. So thank you so much for your time. Nolan with Black Diamond Services, have a fantastic day.